Describe the transformations of the function below from its parent function and find the period of the function. Here we have f of x equals 3 cotangent of 1/2 x. Let's look at the transformations. This 3 is a vertical stretch by 3. And this 1/2, when you're multiplying the input x by 1/2, that's actually a horizontal stretch by 2. And those are the only two transformations. The period of a regular cotangent function is pi, and it's a horizontal stretch by 2, so that means you're going to have 2 pi for the period. What I'd like to do is just graph this on the calculator to verify. First, I want to make sure my mode is in radian mode. And I'm also going to make sure my graph window, let's see, I'll go zoom and then 7 for z trig. And you'll see what that looks like here in a minute. So I'm going to graph, first of all, let's just graph the cotangent function, which is the reciprocal of the tangent function. So all you do is 1 divided by tangent of x. Let's look at the graph there. And you can see how the function is periodic. And the period of a regular cotangent function is pi, and pi is the distance from the y-axis out to the second dot here. That's one cycle. So really you have 2 pi basically from the y-axis out. So let's try 3 for the vertical stretch, then divided by tangent. I'm going to put 0.5 for the 1/2, then x. Close parentheses. And look at this one. The period is twice the other one because of that 1/2 x. So the period here is 2 pi instead of 1 pi. And also you can see that there is a vertical stretch by 3. The function is actually taller than the original cotangent function. Okay, so here is our answer to the question. Vertical stretch by 3, horizontal stretch by 2, and the period is 2 pi.